don't think we're gonna have the tracking, but we're still gonna try the speed run. We're gonna lose the image of the car, but I hope you'll believe me when I bring it back and show you the speed meter. There we go. Wow.
That looks like fun.
That was fun. My God. Wow, that thing's fast. Alright, and just to let you know, it has a 28 tooth pinion right now against a 48 tooth spur. So let's see what the speed was. Stop that stupid thing. Whoa, what was that? Something went pop. Yeah, something burning. Okay, we're back in the shop. Let's see if we can find out what happened here. Well, anyway, we can pull this off. It's on Velcro. So we were out there doing a couple of laps, and then there was a pop, kind of a popping sound, and what we have is a bent capacitor here. I'll get some close-ups. Oh well. The upside? The upside is I got 56 miles an hour out of it. 56 miles an hour out of a 10th scale power system in an 8th scale buggy. I'm happy with that.